Hello Health Buddies, today I bring to you another authentic Odia recipe from the land of Odisha, Odia Nadiya Puro recipe, sweet coconut chutney or stuffing. I call it chutney though because I love it with whatever I eat. So I am in the land of coconuts. There is an abundance of coconut groves everywhere. So for this recipe you need to heat 2 tablespoons of water, add half cup of jaggery. You can either take jaggery powder or jaggery whole. Half cup of jaggery, simmer until jaggery dissolves, and then we'll be adding our coconut. It looks dissolved now. Now it's time to add our coconut. Fresh scraped coconut is what you need here. 2 cups of fresh coconut. Now the amount, you can vary the amount of sweetness here. If you want it sweeter, you can add more jaggery powder. Mix and cook until the water looks dried up. Cook on medium so that it does not burn. So while it is cooking, let us take a peep into one tradition of Odisha. Since I am in Odisha since December last, I go to see one of traditional festivals of Odisha, Panchu Dayol, just before the lockdown. This was just before the lockdown happened, and it's a contest among the deities, village deities. Deities from different villages collect together, assemble here, and people of local villagers strive to win a trophy for their deity. The most beautifully decorated deity wins. So this is the local life of Odisha. So the water looks dried up now. It's time to add cardamom powder and black pepper powder. This is another authentic Odia recipe from the recipe book of my mother-in-law, and she is the one who's preparing it. She is adding black pepper powder and green cardamom powder. It's for flavor because we have added jaggery here, so it enhances the flavor as well. And it won't be spicy, so you can give it to kids as well. And Odias have different ways of using puro. I enjoy it with chakuli pitha, which is Odisha's soft spongy dosa. It is also added to idlis to make Nadiya Puro idlis, and they taste so yum. Odias also add it to podo pitha. This is podo pitha. I have already shared the recipe to podo pitha. I'll be leaving the link above. And puro is another name of yumminess. Do try out this recipe. And this is how my mother-in-law adds puro, or Odias add puro to their idlis. I was raising eyebrows when I heard of sweet idlis, but believe me, these idlis taste so yum. You can have them as is. You don't need anything else. No chutney. You don't need any chutney or sambar or just about podi or just about anything to savor with these idlis. They taste really yum on their own. So do try out this puro recipe, Nadiya Puro recipe from Odisha at least once, and you will be hooked onto this recipe just like I am addicted to it. So I decided to share this traditional authentic Odia recipe with you all because I know you will love it. I hope you like this authentic recipe of Nadiya Puro. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.